The Anker Soundcore Space NC. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Anker Soundcore Space NC headphones. These are priced under $100 and they have a noise cancellation feature. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. These headphones have noise cancellation, 40mm sound drivers, touch control, and exceptional battery life, 20 hours for wireless and 50 hours wired, and it uses Bluetooth 4.1. The headphones come in a very nice case. Inside, you get the manual, USB charging cable, and the audio cable. It folds neatly into the case and has a picture for proper storage. The headphones are very light, coming in at 259 grams, and the build quality is good. Each side of the headphones have an indicator for left or right. The indicator for left or right is also etched in on the headband. The ear cushions are very soft, and the headband has a cushioned leather padding. Adjustment has good travel for each side. The Anker branding is also etched on the band. On the left side, you have the microphone and on and off controls for the noise cancellation. The right side, you have the power button, the phone controls to take and end calls, microphone, port for charging, and 3.5mm audio input jack. The playback options are easily controlled by tapping and swiping up or down, left or right. So my thoughts on the headphones are that it performs and it's a good set of headphones. It is light and comfortable to wear. I give it a 4.5 for comfort, a 4 for quality, and 4 for sound. Lows were good. Bass was not overblown. Mids were just right for me and very clear vocals and instruments. Highs were also pleasant to listen. It's very crisp. Taking calls was not an issue as well. The callers were able to hear me clearly. So overall, a very pleasant listening experience. Noise cancellation worked well, even while turning it on during music. It did not impact the quality. My only gripe is the playback controls. The swiping can be a bit tricky. I would have preferred buttons instead. But like I said, overall, very comfortable, light, and it's priced well. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.